One of the simplest ways to capture leads online is to use Kajabi Forms. In this video, I'm going to showcase how to set up a form, how to use automations, tags, and triggers with your forms to best effect. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. Right off the bat, I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi partner. Before I dive into the training of this video, I first of all want to make you an offer. As I am a partner, I can get you an extended 30-day free trial of this platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin at no cost to you. You can simply head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, have a look at the awesome bonuses on this landing page before you click through and start your free 30-day trial with this platform. And yes, this is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel if you choose to go over those 30 days and use Kajabi for your online business. But as a thank you for using my link and opening up your Kajabi account, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. It's a program that I've developed if I were to hit the reset button or unbox a new Kajabi account tomorrow, what I would do first, second, third, and fourth to set it up for scale. And if you continue to use Kajabi after those 30 days and love it like I do, like I think you will, as a second thank you for me for using my link, I'm going to automate you another program. It's Kajabi sales page templates. Just simply forward me your receipt as a paying customer, and I'm going to give you access to another program. You can simply download these sales page templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi account. These are the exact templates that I use in my online business today. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the other bonuses that I'm offering on this landing page. And I wish you all the best with your Kajabi journey. So let's dive straight on over into the training. So here we are inside my desktop, and I'm going to show you how I use Kajabi Forms. Now, there's two main elements to using a form. You have to actually select the form and design the form, but you have to also host it somewhere. So you have to have a landing page to embed your form in. So I would recommend this way. You can use it as a pop-up, but I would say get a landing page and embed a form into that landing page, because you can make it look something like this. This is one of my highest converting opt-ins, free opt-in product. It's a free PDF checklist. This is all the tools, a checklist of all the tools you need to run your online business. It's everything that I use. And how I designed this is two things. First of all, I would go into my dashboard here under websites and landing pages. I just searched tools, and this is the tools opt-in page. Now, first of all, I'm going to have a look at, let me go into edit the details. So let's go edit the details in a new tab. And then I'm actually going to go into the design of it in this tab here. So first of all, these are the details that you want to have a think about. So in the landing page, before you even get to the form, make sure you have a title. This is internal use only. So I have tools. This is my free opt-in product, and I put it as an opt-in. The slug or the URL really have something that you can pitch that landing page. So go to timpeakman.com/tools. Then the form will collect the email. I have this published, and then you just need a little bit about SEO and sharing, so a page title and a bit of a description and a thumbnail. And make sure that this page shows in search results. Doesn't really matter. Click save. These are the details of the landing page. Then in the landing page itself, you can have some sort of background, give it a header, a main header, and then here all you need to do is add in a form. So see where it says form here, add this content here, and then select form. Once you've done that, you can then select the form that you want to embed. Now, again, you need to complete the form first, but I'm showing you the landing page first so you understand where the form goes. And then have some sort of generic thank you page, and then a bit of copy on this page. And it's just going to actually ask them to have email opt-in, and then it's going to take them to a thank you page or deliver this piece of media for them. So now let's go and look at the form itself. This is how I use forms. So again, under marketing, you go into forms. Naming convention is huge here. So I have a tools opt-in. If you didn't name all of your if you didn't name any of your forms and your landing pages appropriately, it'll be quite hard to discover where they all are and select them from each other. So I title this one tools opt-in again. I use a single opt-in. I just carry an email field here, and the theory is here, the less fields that people fill out on an opt-in page, the higher the conversion is going to be. So I just collect emails, and then I have two automations on this form. I have an automation to add them to my new subscriber sequence. So you can just do that here. You can add automation, then when the form is submitted, tools opt-in, then subscribe them to an email sequence and select an email sequence. So that is my welcome sequence. Then the second automation I use on every form is to add an automation when the form is submitted, then send an email. So here is the email I've sent or is sending as an automation, and it's just a bit of a thank you and a link for them to go and get their guide. So all I've done here is I've attached a PDF to this email and then highlighted it as a link, and then they can go and get their guide. So this will be sent as soon as they complete the form on the embedded landing page. Then they'll get an email auto response with the link to the form that they wanted. It also will take you into a thank you page, whereas you can do whatever you want on that next thank you page. You can either give them the piece of media or you can take them somewhere else. I always have, after submission, I always notify myself so I see these submissions coming in daily, and then make sure you click save. So that's it. Two things, a landing page and a form. That's how I embed all my forms, and I offer something for free in exchange for an email address. Then you got to think about how you can nurture these leads or these people in your welcome sequence to then position your paid products and services over time. So there we have it. Hopefully you've enjoyed that training and you've learned something, and more importantly, you can actually take action and implement something that you have learned today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi if you haven't already opened up your free account. But if you have any questions about this training, just comment down below. I will get back to you. Hopefully this video has provided you with some value, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.